Good morning, yogis, and welcome to your morning yoga wake up practice. Thank you so much for joining me. My name's Bonnie. Today's practice is going to be a gentle way to get the mind and body ready for the day in the most beautiful, positive way possible. Best of all, you can do this practice in your bed if you don't want to get up and get onto your mat just yet. So when you're ready, we're going to start laying down. So make your way there or stay there. And just feel the legs extend away from the body. Feeling the body melt into your mattress or your yoga mat. Feel your body being supported. Think about releasing any tension in the legs, the hips, the shoulders. Soften the face, unclench the jaw, and start to take some deep breaths. Inhaling through the lungs, expanding the rib cage, the midsection, expanding the abdominals. Exhale, melt, let it go. Do that again. Inhaling, feeling the body expand, filling up with prana, life force energy. Exhale, let it go. One more deep breath here. Inhale, expand. Fill the body out with vitality. And exhale, let it go. On your next inhale, lifting the hands up overhead, finding a full body stretch here, reaching nice and long. And then slowly and gently bringing the knees in towards the chest. Wrapping the arms around the shins, giving yourself a full body hug here. Using the hands holding onto the left shin, allowing the right leg to extend all the way back out, and then guiding the knee across the body, finding a twist, looking over the left shoulder if that feels comfortable for you. Inhale as we come back to center. A nice big hug again. Bringing both knees back to the chest. And then releasing the left leg out away from you. Using the hands to guide your right knee across the body. Finding a twist on the other side, looking over the right shoulder. Inhale back to center. Drawing the knees to chest once more. And then finding the outer edges of your feet, we're going to come to a happy baby pose. Using the hands to gently draw the feet down towards the shoulders, extending the spine. Releasing the hands, and then make your way down onto one side before gently lifting yourself up, finding an easy seated position wherever you are. Hands to the knees. Extending the spine, crown of the head towards the sky. And then really think about sinking down through the sitting bones. Softening the shoulders away from the neck. Inhale, lifting the hands up overhead, connecting the palms. Taking a clasp with the palms and pushing the hands away from you up to the sky. Exhale, release. Inhale, lifting the hands up overhead. Releasing the left hand down, finding a side bend, reaching up and over. Inhale back to center, taking to the opposite side, finding length along the side body. Maybe taking the gaze up under the arm if that feels comfortable. Inhale back to center, releasing the hands. Finding tabletop position now, so wherever you are, wrists are under shoulders, knees are under hips. We're going to make our way to cat-cow. So inhale, lifting the heart, looking up, lifting the tailbone, opening up. Exhale, round the spine, looking through to the thighs, opening up through the back body. Inhale, looking up, leading with the heart. Exhale, round the spine, looking through, finding space between the shoulder blades. Inhale, looking up, one more here. And then exhale, we're going to push back to child's pose, using your hands to push along the surface, lowering the forehead to the mat. Releasing the lower back. Just melt here for a couple of breaths. Setting an intention for your day. Every exhale, see if you can release and surrender just a little more. And when you're ready, walking the hands in towards the knees, coming up all the way, softening the shoulders away from the ears. Taking the hands behind you, clasping, reaching away, opening the heart. Release. Clasping the hands in front of you, rounding the back, looking down. Finding your way back to center, reaching the hands up overhead, drawing the palms down to the heart center. Coming back to your intention. Offering yourself gratitude for beginning your morning in the best way possible so that you can move through your day with grace, ease, and love. Thank you so much for joining me this morning. Namaste.